Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nimsy, and in today's video I went to the thing and I thought it was gonna come in the 16. It said it was gonna come in the 16. You guys probably, what's coming in the 16? My Infinity Cube. It's not the 16 yet, but it came today, so we're gonna see what's inside of it. See if it's actually my Infinity Cube or is it something else that my dad ordered. It says from my dad's. It says my dad's name. Look. See if I can show you guys. Right there it says. Oh my god, yeah.
Just do it. Sorry. I'll get to do it. You guys want to be Cobra Kai's, huh?
It's our Infinity Cube. And it's blue with pink. It's
looks like some shit through a party. It's been pretty sick. It's fire got involved. How much cost it? I remember I didn't buy it. Go ahead! The dojo's closed to new students today. We just wanted to sign up after you started telling me. What did you say again? Get out. Yes, sir. Sensei. Go move it. Come back tomorrow. Bring your checkbooks. Everyone, follow it!
It's a super
It's been a rager, Sensei. Yeah, you're celebrating all weekend?
cool.
Celebrating what? Your students are a bunch of pussies. Diaz, Hawk, up front. Hawk, did you attack your opponent when his back was turned? Yes, Sensei. Diaz, did you purposely attack your opponent's injury? Yes, Sensei. That makes you badass. It's not too tough a question. Maybe you need some help.
Okay, it's like the best thing ever.
Cobras in the jungle.
Like,
One kills the strongest
literally,
lion.
like,
The other kills a crippled monkey.
I love this Infinity Cube. It's like the best thing. Look at that.
One that kills the lion, Sensei.
Like, it's an Infinity Cube. Ages 3 and up.
Correct. Cobra Kai is about being badass.
Guys, and I'm actually fixing all my fidget toys.
Badass is the one who beats his opponent when he's at his strongest.
And then there's more in there. And then on the bottom, there's all my stress balls. You see, like, here, let me get it. Open it for you guys.
Is that understood? Yes, Sensei.
And these are my stress balls.
There's no more cheating.
Yeah.
We're fighting dirty.
Okay, so yeah, guys, this is all I wanted to show you guys in today's video. So yeah, comment down below for anything for me to do an unboxing video, a haul video, any kind of video. So love y'all. And then I also like this that because you can do it with one hand, you can do it there. Okay, I love y'all. Bye.